I'm sure with bringing you on board, Minutes wants to elevate this project to just global recognition rather than just its, kind of its small crypto group that we have right now. So do you have a vision, kind of your rock star level vision that you can share, that how you think you're going to be able to bring Minutes out to global recognition here?
World domination.
Exactly. That's what we're looking for.
So yes. So I've come in. There is a lot of technology to understand. It is complicated. I mean, we've got to be agile. We've got to keep solving real world problems. We've got to keep innovating from a product technology perspective. And then, we've absolutely got to nail the storytelling, right? And find a way to get rid of all the business jargon and make it really easy to understand, because it is very technically complicated and it's cutting edge and it's new and novel. But I think we can do that and really cut through and prove and show the value. And then, with the sharing economy that we have, very quickly, everyone that is part of the community will witness the growth and the progress. And then it's really sort of finding the right stories and the right emotions to connect with, to then really amplify. And so, I've come in and I'm just, first month, I'm listening, I'm learning, I'm reading, I'm paying attention. Now I really care about, and I'm starting to get a much better understanding of you and all the early adopters, right? And sort of get inside your head. And there is always that balance between moving too slow and moving too quick. And I don't want to waste any money, and I don't want to just throw a load of money on vanity marketing that doesn't do anything to help move the business goals forward. And as you pointed out, Ryan, there's a difference between the telecom operator, and there's a difference between a mobile app owner, and then there's a difference between, blockchain and Web3 communities. And there is sort of there are differences, certainly in terms of when we think about speed, but it is all about relationships. It is all about trust. It is all about transparency. And then it's about being able to tell the stories through different mediums, right? And at different cadences, right? At different times to those groups. So I do believe that Minutes Network have the technology and the leadership group and the vision to just be making kick-ass product and disrupting. And I think the revenue will speak for itself, the real world revenue as performance. And we all love that. And then on top of that, I do think we can, between tech and creative, find those messages, those storytelling, and be good enough in terms of I do love data. Yes, sometimes it's a science, right? But sometimes it's an art too, and weave that path so that then the marketing becomes the sort of the fifth element of the product, and we get kind of exponential growth and returns, and really enable the company by achieving the goals and just constantly bringing, more carriers, more terminations, more calls, more minutes, more revenue. And
Absolutely.
right, because every minute counts.
Absolutely. That's your path to global domination.
Completely. Because like we established, I don't sleep. So I have a lot of minutes in my day.
Right.